Happy Friday, fellow restorers. Ivan Turner here with Show Me Marketing Solutions. Hey, listen, I've got a little bit of windshield time, so I want to just make this video just really quick. I'll try to keep it short as I can. Anyway, good news. Next Friday, a week from today at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, I am going to be hosting some people would call it a webinar, but I'm calling it a revival. It's a Great Restoration Revival. That's right, you heard right. The Great Restoration Revival is going to be held next Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Anyway, now here's the thing. I'm going to tell you the why behind it. And first let me tell you who it's for. It's for struggling restorers. If you're having a difficult time keeping your business up and running, if you're having a problem with employees, if you're having a problem with TPAs, if you're having a problem with your accounts receivables, anything that a typical restoration contractor runs into occasionally, and sometimes more often than not, or if you're having to continually put out fires when you know it shouldn't have to be that way, then you must attend this program, this revival. And also for restoration companies that have hit the proverbial brick wall. Now, for the uber successful restoration guys out there that are doing 20, 40, 60, 80, $100 million a year in business, this won't be for you, so don't waste your time, okay? But for those that I've already mentioned, struggling, need to get realigned, this is for you. And to tell you about the why behind it, it dates back 12 years ago, and almost, I just passed the date, but I was going to do it on the 12-year anniversary. But 12 years ago, I had a fatal head injury. You heard me right. They said it was a fatal head injury. I was taken into the first hospital, then they took me to the trauma center up at a university hospital, which they said it was a fatal injury, but here I am. I walked out of that hospital in 3 days. So the reason why I'm doing this revival is because I made a promise to God, but I also made a promise to myself. I says to God, God, if you'll let me get out of here, I promise I'll tell as many people as I can, anywhere I can, on the power of hope and on the power of belief. So when you got into restoration, you thought you were going to be successful, and you probably have had a lot of successes, but restoration is a tough industry for everybody. But the only thing I have to sell on this revival next week is that hope. I have hope to sell. But I'm also going to pull back the robe. Not literally, but you get what I'm saying. I'm going to pull back the robe, and I'm going to share with you proven strategies to help you get realigned with your business, to get back in alignment to where you wanted to be or where you once were. Once you get off that road, it's hard sometimes to actually get back on the right road. But that's what I'm going to do during the revival. I promise it'll be something like you've never, ever witnessed. I can promise you that. Anyway, and it's absolutely free, by the way. So, in the meantime, I wish you health, happiness, and I want you to have a phenomenal weekend. But mark your calendars for next Friday at 5 o'clock Central Standard Time to join me on the Great Restoration Revival. All right, we'll see you all later. Have a good one.